Welcome to the ADA Veracity's overview of ADA Pro, Mobile App Inspection Suite. This video applies for both Apple and Android versions of ADA Pro. ADA Veracity is a team of two individuals. Young Cao is a CASP-certified architect with experience as a code administrator in public sector as a chief building inspector for the city of Monterey Park for nearly 20 years. His current practice engages heavily with CASP and accessibility remediation, although he has his own architectural practice since 1989. He has served as an expert witness and defendant in ADA litigation. Alex Lee is a programmer with extensive experience in accessibility audits in municipal facilities and schools. Together, they have over 20 years of combined experience in accessibility, inspection, and remediation, 30 years in plan reviews and inspection, and 50 years in design and construction-related experiences. They have performed hundreds of accessibility inspections over the past 5 years in Southern California area. The suite was developed as a response to the needs of our industry. ADA Pro, the app component, has saved a tremendous amount of field time, reducing the report compilation time to as little as a third of the inspection time for larger sites. They have developed this app since 2009 using a variety of different platforms and input paradigms to find the most efficient and appropriate method to gather field data and generate reports. Among the benefits of using this app include reducing report generation time, secure compilation of data, consistency of report verbiage, and the elimination of paperwork. ADA Pro is the one-stop report generation suite. The mobile app is used to take the field data, organizing and managing pictures and associating notes with pictures. From there, information is uploaded into the cloud. Inspectors can log in and create a report, selecting the images, issuing and editing verbiage as needed. The key to speediness of the reports lies with the code database. Generating reports is a matter of matching code issues with the appropriate image. At the time of this video, the only codes available are the ADA 2010 revision, UFAS, Uniform Federal Accessibility Standards, the California Building Code 2013 11A, 11B with 2015 mid-cycle edits, California Building Code 2016 11A, 11B, and applicable portions of the Vehicular Code, Fair Housing parts of Chapter 10 and Business Professions Code, and so on. Other states and ADAG are forthcoming. ADA Pro is free to download, but requires an in-app purchase to use. On the left screen, you can see how the sites are categorized by location. Entering into one of those locations, you can create a sublocation as appropriate. Using your mobile device, you can add pictures to these locations. You can also add notes to the images. When the site data has been collected, the inspector can upload the data to the cloud. You can do this all at once, at the end, or throughout the inspection process. Watch the video on how to work ADA Pro for further details. After uploading, sites are available on the cloud, categorized by report type. This is the main screen of the website for adding issues and selecting images. The many tabs, report cover, notice to owner, include verbiage required by CASP reports, although users can also generate non-CASP reports. Everything you see is customizable, from the subsections under the architectural barriers to the issue code and verbiage. You can watch the video on how to add issues and customize code verbiage for more details, although I'm going to go over these features very briefly in this video. The screen for adding issues. Type in various words into the text field on the right and click on multiple issues. Click Add Issues to add to an issue group. On this slide, you can see a close-up of how to edit issues. You can change or add notes, modify the timeline for CASP reports, or the header for each issue. You can specify the default values for all future reports per issue type, or you can customize the verbiage for each specific reporting instance. See the video on customizing code verbiage on how to do this. You also have the option of adding additional discussion text to the report. This will be placed at the end of the architectural barriers section. The discussion text can be pre-entered from a template you create, or you can add this as needed for the site. One use for creating a custom template may be to include a discussion about hotel rooms. For the 2013 California Building Code, hotel guest rooms have slightly different numbers than the ADA. So we found it helps our clients to have a brief discussion on how to consider the compliancy requirements between state and federal codes. Depending on the needs of your clients, you may find adding templates like this useful, and it saves time. Here's a brief screenshot on what a fully generated report can look like with edits. Now, although ADA Pro requires that you use the in-app purchase to generate each site, for users who want to supplement the ADA Pro with a digital camera, you can also upload images under Add Pictures. From there, you can also click Sort Pictures to get to the next screen. Here you can move images to locations, add notes, and rotate pictures as needed in preparation for your report. We also include a feature for customizing each report section. You can also make default all the verbiage, or you can use the provided verbiage as appropriate. For CAPS, with one click you can show whether the site is inspected by CAPS or is in compliance. You can also include generic site diagrams from ADA, UFAS, or state code. We have a video on that as well in the frequently asked questions. This is the screen for generating reports. Of the two report types currently offered, you can generate a PDF version or Microsoft Word version for further editing. ADA Pro can generate a completed PDF version, along with company logos, standard disclaimers, contact information, standard or custom verbiage that your company may want to include. You can add such verbiage as default text on all your reports. If you've utilized all the features of the site, you can jump straight to the PDF without needing to edit the report in Word. To assist in report editing, we also have some error correction, so empty fields will be flagged as needing attention. We also have plans to include an optional RS means, alternate report formats, a code reference lookup for the apps, and more, as industry needs demand. Finally, this is the cover page of the generated simple report. You can see the company logo uploaded onto the site in the upper right corner, as well as the metadata for the site. Check out the frequently asked questions in more depth videos on how to use ADA Pro. If you have any thoughts or questions, go to the contact field on our website, adaveracity.com. Feedback would be appreciated. Although to really see for yourself if ADA Pro is for you, you must try our app. That's it for now. Thanks for watching ADA Pro Overview video.